In this video, let's talk about what to expect when you first start out. So you've made your account, you created a screen name, you maybe imported some friends, now you're ready to post, but you're not sure, right? Like starting is really on all the platforms. Starting is always the hardest.
This video is brought to you by OppiePie's Academy.
So just be easy on yourself. And it's awkward. There's a lot of awkwardness, like how do I post? Are my posts going to be good? Is it going to be embarrassing? Are people going to lose respect for me? Oh my God, this is so stupid. Oh my God, there's a lot of apprehension. That's okay. It's normal. Like literally everyone goes through that phase. We just have to defeat the awkwardness. That's the first step, nothing else. So you have to give yourself time. Don't be too hard on yourself. And you can ask your friends to show you how to use it. And you can ask freelancers to help you a little bit. And of course, you can take a course like this. All those things will build up your comfort level. This is the only thing you want to do. Build up your comfort level. After that, you'll start posting and you'll do great. But without a comfort level, it will be awkward, frustrating, scary, and you're going to maybe quit or not continue with it. And most people don't succeed because they quit. If you're persistent, you will succeed. So the first post you're going to make, or the first couple of posts, you might have seen my TikTok account from earlier. I posted 2 music videos. I have like literally 2 followers, and those are people that I know. So I'm not worried about it. My first goal is just to build up a comfort level with each post. I'm trying to do just a tiny bit, little extra. In the last one, I tried to experiment with effects. They didn't work, so I didn't use them, but I tried some things, right? So I'm going to try a few things, and then I'm going to get used to the features, the different features of TikTok and how to navigate it and all that. That's my only goal. And that's all normal. Now, there are some things that are not normal. Here's what not to do. Don't compare yourself to successful people, because it's very easy on TikTok. You know, the home screen shows you popular videos and you click on everybody and they're like 1 million followers, 1 million likes, 1 million views. You cannot compare yourself to successful people. If you do that, you're going to feel kind of stupid about yourself. You're going to say, oh my God, like I'm a failure. These people whose videos are not even that good are going viral. Why am I not going viral? What's wrong with me? You're going to have all these negative thoughts creep into your head. I mean, don't do that to yourself. That's like self-torture, because that's not the right comparison. They have more experience. You'll get there at some point too. But you need that experience. And sometimes you don't know it from looking at their accounts, but sometimes they might be famous from somewhere else. Maybe they have a gigantic YouTube channel or something else, or maybe they're like a minor celebrity in some niche. So you don't really know what advantages they have. So don't jump to conclusions and immediately lose confidence in your own abilities. You're going to be just fine. You just have to have reasonable expectations in the beginning. Just do not get frustrated and quit. Remember, the first goal is just to get a comfort level with the platform, nothing more. If you want more, you're going to distract yourself. You're going to make yourself feel worse. If you just focus on gaining a comfort level, you're going to be fine. So that's the goal in the beginning. And that's the right mindset to keep you happy using the platform, not frustrated.